disables accounts, what you should never do, and then I'll walk you through the correct way to appeal your ban step by step. Section 1. What does account disabled actually mean? First, let's understand what happened. Discord has two completely different types of bans, and many people confuse them. The first is a server ban. This only means that the moderators of one specific server removed you. Your Discord account still works normally everywhere else. You can join other servers, message friends, and continue using Discord. The second is a platform ban, sometimes called an account disabled ban. This is much more serious. Instead of one server banning you, Discord itself disables your entire account. You won't be able to log in, send messages, or access any of your servers until the account is restored. If you're seeing the message your account has been disabled, then you're dealing with a platform ban. Fortunately, if the ban was a mistake, or even in some cases where you violated a rule, you can submit an appeal. But before we get to that, it's important to understand why Discord disables accounts in the first place. Section 2. Why Discord disabled your account. There are several common reasons Discord permanently disables accounts. The first is spam or mass messaging, sending the same message across multiple servers, repeatedly DMing users who didn't ask for messages, or using automation tools can trigger Discord's anti-spam system very quickly. The second reason is multiple user reports. If many users report your account within a short period of time, Discord may automatically disable the account while it's being reviewed. The third reason is ban evasion. If one of your previous Discord accounts was permanently banned, creating another account can sometimes result in the new account being detected and disabled as well. Discord may link accounts using information like your device, phone number, or other technical signals. Another common reason is violating Discord's community guidelines or terms of service. Sharing prohibited content, harassment, scams, malicious files, or other policy violations can all lead to account termination. Finally, there are age verification issues. Discord requires users to be at least 13 years old. If the system believes an account belongs to someone younger than that, the account may be disabled until the owner verifies their age. Knowing the reason behind the ban helps you write a much stronger appeal later. Section 3. Things you should not do. Now let's talk about the mistakes that cause many appeals to fail. Don't create another Discord account. This is probably the biggest mistake. If Discord identifies it as ban evasion, the new account can also be disabled, making your original appeal much harder. Don't submit much harder. Multiple support tickets. Sending 5 or 6 appeals won't speed anything up. Instead, it usually creates duplicate tickets and can actually delay your case. Submit one complete appeal and wait for a response. Don't send angry messages. Insulting support or demanding your account back almost never helps. Keep your appeal respectful, professional, and focused on the facts. Section 4. Step-by-step solution, how to appeal. Now let's fix the problem. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Go to Discord's official support website, https://gd/support. Always use the official Discord support page. Avoid unofficial websites claiming they can recover your account. Step 2. Click Submit a Request. From the category menu, choose Trust and Safety, then select Appeals, Age Verification, or Other Actions. This sends your request directly to the appropriate team. Step 3. Enter your account information. Use the same email address that was connected to your disabled Discord account. This is extremely important. If you use another email address, Discord may not be able to locate your account. Fill in your username and any other requested information accurately. Step 4. Write your appeal. Keep it simple. Your appeal should include 4 things. Explain that your account was disabled. State why you believe it should be reviewed. If you accidentally violated a rule, acknowledge it briefly. Include your username, user ID, and the approximate date your account was disabled. Avoid writing long emotional stories. Support agents mainly need accurate information. Step 5. Submit your appeal. Once it's submitted, wait patiently. Discord usually responds within 3 to 14 days, although during busy periods it may take longer. Watch the email inbox associated with your Discord account for updates. Section 5. Appeal template. If you're unsure what to write, here's a simple appeal you can copy. Open quote, Hello, Discord Trust and Safety Team, close quote, open quote. I'm writing to appeal the disabling of my Discord account, close quote. Open quote, my username is username. Open quote, my user ID is user ID. Close quote. Open quote, my account was disabled on approximately date. Close quote, open quote. I believe this account may have been disabled by mistake, and I would appreciate having the decision reviewed. Close quote. Open quote. I have always tried to follow Discord's community guidelines and terms of service. Close quote, open quote. Thank you for your time and consideration. Close quote. Open quote. Kind regards. Close quote. Open quote. Your name. Close quote. If you know you broke a rule, simply replace the sentence saying it was a mistake with a short acknowledgement and explain that you understand the policy and won't repeat the behavior. Keep it honest and concise. VO. If your appeal is approved, Discord will restore your account and you'll receive an email confirming it. If it's denied, you can submit another appeal later, but don't immediately send the exact same request multiple times. Repeated duplicate appeals rarely improve your chances. If this video helped you, leave a comment telling me whether your account was disabled because of spam, reports, age verification, or something else. Subscribe for more Discord fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.